Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add cleaning solution to the Narwal Freo 20. If you're interested in the Freo 20, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals and our robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to check those links in the description. So let's get right to it. First things first, for this particular model on our station here, we have to add solution manually to the clean water tank. So per Narwal's instructions, you can add anywhere between 1 and 3 capfuls, depending on how dirty your floor is. So if you want to conserve cleaning solution, just add 1. If you maybe have pretty dirty floors, you don't care so much about buying refills as often, then go up to 3. But anyways, it's 1 to 3 capfuls for 5 liters of water, so just keep that in mind. But literally, you will just open this up, pour a capful in, pour it into here. I'd recommend pouring all of your solution in first and then adding your clean water to help just mix it around, but up to you. But super simple and straightforward. Just remember 1 to 3 capfuls for clean water, depending on how dirty your floors are. And go ahead, add the caps first, and then fill it with clean water to mix everything up.